Get everyone, B Asian Dad here. We've got the new Dell Latitude 5421. It's a 14-inch business class laptop from Dell that's released in the second half of 2021. And I have already done the review for the Dell Latitude 5420. So the difference between the 5420 and the 5421 is its processor. This runs the new Tiger Lake H processor. This is the performance version of it. And I will put a link in the description below for the Dell Latitude 5420 review video. So I'm not going to actually do the complete review for this one here. We're just going to do the unboxing and quick first impression of the performance of this computer here. And I will be creating a follow-up video of this once I spend a bit of time with this 5421. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing, and I'm going to do something a little bit different style to what I normally do for unboxing. So you see this overhand cam. Tell me if you like this version or not. I'll be just interested. So let's get to unboxing. Everyone knows I like my knife. If you're new to my channel, welcome. For those who's returning, knows I love to use. Now, because I'm actually doing overhead, it's actually, I actually completely missed that, luckily. And I'll just do it here, and we'll just get the two slits here. I'm sorry. I can definitely tell it's a different way of doing it on my camera. So let's get on to this one here. Oh, they really sealed this one up. I think I might have. Look how that. All right, let's do that again. I think my knife has been playing with wood at the moment, so I've actually been chopping things with my knife with it, and it's been difficult today, hasn't it? All right, there we go. Now let's go and start up. Oh, straight away we've got the power cord and power adapter, so I don't have to go digging with it. Everyone loves, I love doing this. All right, so what do we got here? It's a 90-watt power adapter, and it charges through the USB-C port. Nice, good to see that. And it's a 90-watt power adapter, which is kind of like the 5411. So that's the same. That's good to see. And then with the power cable for it, I'm just going to throw that away on that side there. And we'll just quickly just take this thing out. It's cardboard here. It's nice to see they're using all cardboard here pretty much. All right, let's bring this thing out. Come on, here. There we go. I'm just going to move that to the side. And we've got cardboard. Great to see the sustainability part and being environmentally responsible. Now we've got documentation. You know what we do with that. We just rock that away. And then we'll just quickly take this thing out. Now, this should have the same ports as the 5420. Let's throw that away. Okay, so I've got the Latitude 5421 here, and it's just plastic at the back, plastic at the front, plastic on the sides, all plastic on the sides there. Now, as for the ports, it should reflect the same as the 5420. I'm not going to go through them. It's the only thing we're really interested in is the processor. Now this one, I do have it configured with a new i5. So I've got the i7 in the Precision series and i9, and also the new Xeons. This is the only processor I have not actually tested out, so I'm interested to see how this performs. So let's just boot this thing up, and I'll get this all set up. Now in my review video, this also has configured with the full HD 400 nits of display, which I did not have in the other Latitudes, so I actually didn't do a review for it. So I will be doing a little bit of a review on the display as well in the 5421 follow-up videos as well too. So besides the processor, I'm going to do the display as well too, and it's good to see they've still got the full HD display. And I'll be back once I've got this computer set up. Running the quick benchmark on this Latitude 5421 straight out of the box without updating drivers or the BIOS. We get a very nice score from this new Tiger Lake H processor i5. It is very impressive, I've got to say. It is pretty much about 35% quicker than the i7 Tiger Lake processor, and about 80% quicker than the i5 version of the Tiger Lake processor. I've got the Latitude 5421 with the i5 running on 100% load for the last 20 minutes or so, and I have the computer on optimized thermal setting mode at the moment, and you can see at the hottest area at the moment is around about 44 degrees Celsius on the keyboard. Pretty good, I must admit. And as for the speed of the processor, it's around about close to about 4 gigahertz, so 3.6 to about 4 gigahertz, maintaining that pretty well. I've just got to have to admit that it's doing pretty well. Now, as for the core temperature, you're looking at an average around about 80 degrees Celsius. Judging from just the quick test of this performance of this new Dell Latitude 5421, even on the i5 version, it's pretty much a no-brainer to go for the Latitude 5421 over the Latitude 5420 if you had the choice. Now, I will be doing the performance test properly, and also we'll look at the temperatures and fan noise, and we'll have a look at the speakers as well, and also have a look at the display in my review video. Now, I hope you find this video informative or enjoyed it. If you did, smack that like for me, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscribe button on the bottom screen. I do try to upload a new video every week, and just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting, and I'll catch you in the next video.